Hi everyone! We need to take care of food more than ever. So I'm going to show you how to keep it fresh longer. Alright? There are beautiful sardines. We wash it very gently. Extra virgin olive oil in glass. Chicken is very dangerous, no? So it gets bad very quick. So you slice it, marinate it with a little touch of olive oil, thyme, garlic. You cover, you film it. This is gonna be in the coldest place of the refrigerator. Velvet from vegetable soup. We're gonna put everything in the blender and you're gonna mix it and you're gonna make a velvet. Guys, follow the link below. Remember, stay at home.